In this video, we're going to take a look at the robot assembly station. We already have a part in partial production and it's about to make its way into the robot station. We can see that it has just arrived at the pickup location. The robot gripper will take the product and will first place it onto our light bed. The camera located above the robot will take a photo to establish if it's in the correct orientation and position. As it is, the robot moves it and places it into our gripper. This robot features a multi-grip system. This means that we're able to change out the end effector for a different type. The first type of end effector that we need is a vacuum gripper. This will allow us to pick up a single PCB from inside our box and load it into the workpiece. The part has been picked up, so now the robot will transfer the PCB and place it into our workpiece. Next, the robot will change its end effector once again. This time, it's going to pick up a fuse gripper. This is another parallel gripper similar to the type that it had at the beginning, but this time designed to pick up fuses. You will notice that the robot is performing the same assembly operation that we did manually earlier, but this time it is completely automated. The robot will first take one fuse and place it into position 1 in the PCB, and will then repeat the exercise with the second fuse. Now the assembly process is complete. The only thing left to do is for the robot to exchange its gripper one final time back to the part picker, and this will allow us to pick up the product and place it back onto our pallet on the conveyor belt. Finally, once the product is loaded back onto the pallet, the robot station will release the pallet and it will move onwards with the rest of its journey. We really hope that you've enjoyed this demonstration of the CP Factory robot assembly station.